Mama just gave Tiki a big drum. Yeah, it's so pretty. Look at all his toys and paper. Happy, happy peanut nose. Hey, my baby Chi. Beepers, beepers. I have to keep that cloth up there because there's a nest there. They like their privacy. Got to keep the males and females separated. I have enough babies. Anybody up here in the play area? Oops, sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Hi, Thor. Hey, Bathsheba. Karamia. Freya? What are you guys doing? Hi, Pierre. Hi, Chi. Chi, peanut nose Tiki. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I love you. I'm going to put some more tea tree oil on your beak, okay? It's looking way better. It does. Pretty. Pretty. Mario! Albie, where's Monchari? Is she in there with you, Tiki? Oh, there she is, playing with the wooden toys. There's the Monchari. She at Tiki's house. Oh, so's Buzz and Teal I see in the back there. Tiki, happy, joy. Nobody's downstairs today.